I am Arnab Chakraborty. I am experienced technical corporate trainer. I'm having more than 26 years of teaching experience, in parallel 13 years of corporate training experience. I've conducted training programs for more than 170 companies across the globe. I used to give training in different programming, data analytics, and in other domain also. I hope that you will be enjoying this particular course, and I welcome you all to join and learn with us. Thank you for watching this video.
We are introducing you to a course, that is the course on Introduction to Programming in Python. In this course, multiple topics will be covered. We shall start with Introduction to Python, Variables and I/O, Conditions and Loops in Python, Loops in Python. Then we shall go for doubt clearing session and problem solving in Python. Then we shall start with Introduction to Online Judges, Time and Memory Complexity Analysis, Lists in Python. Again we shall have another doubt clearing session and problem solving in Python. Then we shall go to Strings in Python, Problem solving with Python, Functions in Python. We shall have another doubt clearing session and problem solving in Python. Then we shall start with function and recursion in Python, problem solving with Python, dictionary set and tuples in Python, doubt clearing session, and again problem solving in Python. These are the multiple different topics will be covered in this particular sequence. Each and every topic will be covered with a proper demonstration, examples, and doubt clearing. So join this course and have the fun of learning.